15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. SNS, Internet English. I will send a DM. People understand it online. What sounds more natural? I'll send you a direct message. I'll send you a direct message. I got ghosted. That is internet slang. What does it mean? Someone suddenly stopped replying. Someone suddenly stopped replying. I unfollowed him. The meaning is clear. Is it common on social media? I hit unfollow. I hit unfollow. My video went viral. That expression sounds natural. What does it mean? It became viral. It became viral. That video is cringe. The grammar sounds off. What sounds more natural? That video is cringy. That video is cringy. Do you know this meme? People understand it online. What does meme mean? It is an internet meme. It is an internet meme. That is clickbait. The meaning is clear. What does it mean? It is misleading clickbait. It is misleading clickbait. Do not spoiler it. That sounds unnatural. What should I say? Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. I am just lurking. That sounds natural online. What does it mean? I am just lurking. I am just lurking. I will stream a game. People understand it. What sounds more natural? I will stream it. I will stream it. My subscribers increased. That sounds natural. What word is common on YouTube? My subscribers increased. My subscribers increased. I changed the thumbnail. The meaning is clear. What is a thumbnail? It is the video thumbnail. It is the video thumbnail. The algorithm hates me. People often say that online. What does it imply? The algorithm stopped promoting it. The algorithm stopped promoting it. I will add a hashtag. That expression works. Is it common online? I will add a hashtag. I will add a hashtag. That is the trend now. That sounds natural. What sounds more like social media English? It is trending. It is trending. I'll send you a direct message. I'll send you a direct message. Someone suddenly stopped replying. Someone suddenly stopped replying. I hit unfollow. I hit unfollow. It became viral. It became viral. That video is cringy. That video is cringy. It is an internet meme. It is an internet meme. It is misleading clickbait. It is misleading clickbait. Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. I am just lurking. I am just lurking. I will stream it. I will stream it. My subscribers increased. My subscribers increased. It is the video thumbnail. It is the video thumbnail. The algorithm stopped promoting it. The algorithm stopped promoting it. I will add a hashtag. I will add a hashtag. It is trending. It is trending. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.